If you are completely cured, it's a miracle for you. But for Wall Street, it's a catastrophic financial accident. In the eyes of capital, a cured patient is nothing more than a defunct ATM. Welcome to the world's most profitable black hole, the medical industrial complex. Here, money screams and banks howl. In a world where your very breath can be packaged into a financial product, disease is no longer an enemy to be defeated. It's an asset to be cultivated. The official narrative is heartwarming. We live in the golden age of medicine. To bring a single life-saving pill to market, Big Pharma spends an average of $2.6 billion. Their mission? To eradicate suffering and serve humanity. Sounds noble, doesn't it? But that's the fairy tale they tell investors. In the real ledger, cure is never a key performance indicator, because if you flip through a top actuary's private notes, you'll find a terrifying truth. Health is the single greatest threat to profit. In 2018, Goldman Sachs released a report that sent shivers down the world's spine. The analysts asked a chilling question: is providing a one-shot cure a sustainable business model? Think about it. If you run a restaurant and serve a dish that keeps a customer full for the rest of their life, you're out of business by morning. Big Pharma operates the same way. They don't want cures, they want management. They don't want you dead, but they certainly don't want you well. They need you in a delicate lifelong state of sub-health, a subscription to life itself. Think this is just business competition? No. This is a calculated hunt. They aren't just manipulating your body, they've rigged the entire game. Look at insulin. 100 years ago, its inventors sold the patent for just $1, hoping to benefit all of humanity. It was a high-water mark for civilization. But today, pharma giants use a shameless tactic called patent evergreening, tweaking molecular structures just enough to restart the legal clock. In the wealthiest nations on Earth, 1 in 4 diabetics ration their doses because they can't afford the price. In an age of high tech, people are dying like primitives because they can't afford a drug invented a century ago. That is the efficiency of capital. The peak of this absurdity hit when Gilead Sciences released a cure for hepatitis C. They actually cured thousands. The result? Wall Street didn't cheer. They were furious. Because the patients were healthy, the company's revenue projections collapsed. In that moment, the market sent an ultimatum to every R&D department on the planet. Stop producing these damn miracles. You think this is just a headline? No. This is exactly why your insurance premiums skyrocket every year while your body feels more fragile than ever. Only a fraction of the premiums you pay actually goes toward healing. The rest is siphoned off to fund armies of lawyers, lobbyist groups, and the down payments on yachts for middlemen in tailored suits. When healing becomes an algorithmic game of earnings per share, we are no longer human beings. We are just variables in a data model. We are interest-bearing debt packages. In this world rebuilt by capital, the perfect patient looks like this: someone who never dies, but never gets well. They must remain in a state of expensive agony until the last drop of their insurance is squeezed dry. We don't have a shortage of curative technology. We have a shortage of a system that permits cure to exist. Next time, we go deeper. Why is the technology meant to save us becoming a secret for the elite's immortality? Subscribe and follow the money trail.